Imagine a rescue robot programmed to save lives faced with an impossible choice. Who does it save first when all lives are equally valuable? Welcome to the complex world of rescue robots, where the line between right and wrong is blurred. These autonomous heroes, designed to brave situations too dangerous for humans, are often faced with ethical dilemmas. Deciding who to save in an emergency is a poignant example. This is no longer a hypothetical question, but a real issue faced by rescue robots today. Take, for instance, the robots deployed during the Fukushima nuclear disaster in 2011. A catastrophic earthquake and tsunami led to multiple meltdowns at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. With radiation levels lethal to humans, the decision was made to send in robots for rescue and cleanup operations. These machines, however, were faced with the ethical challenge of being deployed into hazardous areas where humans could not survive. The robots were tasked with a mission that risked their functionality and, by extension, the investment made in their development and deployment. The debate arose: was it ethical to risk these machines in such conditions? Were their artificial lives less important than the human lives they were designed to save? This question was a conundrum that stirred many a pot in the robotics world. In the end, the robots were sent in, potentially saving countless lives, but the ethical debate still lingers. So, what are the main points to take away from this discussion? Firstly, we've delved into the ethical quandaries that rescue robots present. These machines, designed to save lives, can also pose some hard questions. For instance, if faced with a situation where they must decide who to save, what should their programming dictate? It's a modern-day spin on the classic trolley problem, and it's one that we must grapple with as these technologies become more prevalent. We also reflected on the Fukushima disaster, a poignant case where the capabilities and limitations of rescue robots were laid bare. The robots were instrumental in the rescue efforts, but they also highlighted the need for more advanced decision-making abilities, especially in situations where human intervention is not possible. This leads us to the ongoing debate about the ethical use of these robots. As they become more advanced, the questions become more difficult. How do we ensure they make the right decisions? How do we program empathy or prioritize one life over another? There are potential solutions, of course. Improved programming may allow these robots to make more nuanced decisions. The development of ethical guidelines could provide a roadmap for their use in rescue operations. Yet, these are not simple fixes, and they require careful thought and discussion. As technology continues to advance, these ethical challenges will only become more complex. It is crucial that we address them now to ensure the responsible and ethical use of rescue robots in the future.